Today's deal is going to be on the pound NZD, and please allow me to explain to you the reason why I believe we can buy this pair as soon as possible. Now, of course, as you can see on the daily chart, this pair has faced a very strong support level at 1.96069. Now, we have to pay attention that the support and resistance levels are always permanent, but however, it's somehow the support could be stronger than a resistance. Now, pay attention. We had here a small attempt of the resistance, and keep in mind I'm on the daily chart. This pair has faced here a small resistance level. It's not a key resistance level. Also right here, it was not a key resistance level. And even right here, it was not a key resistance level. However, once the pair has actually made the bullish breakout from that resistance level, it has become a major strong key support level, even right here. So therefore, we had right here the bearish breakout candle, meaning that this support level has to become right now the new resistance. But however, similar to what happened in the past, again, the history is repeating itself. This level couldn't actually hold the position as a resistance for a long time. And again, we see that this resistance level has actually held the position as a resistance, but again, it was not a strong key resistance level. And within only a few days, the market has made again the bullish breakout from this level. Meaning that most likely right now, as we can see, the market has reversed exactly at the same level of that previous support. On the daily chart, we can see that this level has actually kept its position again as a support. Meaning, we can expect right now for the pound NZD to continue the rise. Now, another thing, on the daily candle, this bullish breakout candle usually indicates a continuation in the breakout. We can see it right here. This is the candle, by the way. If it was a bullish breakout candle, which looked like this, with a small tail at the bottom and long wick at the top, and usually breaking out, of course, from the resistance, then usually this candle indicates a continuation in the momentum, and it should be continuation, of course, in the bullish momentum in this case, and vice versa, similar to this candle right here. If we see this candle appears, of course, on the bearish breakout candle, and then if this time is going to be upside down, meaning a small wick at the top and a long tail at the bottom. If you see this candle breaking out from a support level, usually it indicates a continuation in the bearish breakout momentum. And if we check the history, we can see that this happened almost all of the time. I'm trying to find some candles here, but I mean, this market, the pound NZD is so random at this moment. Look at that. I mean, this is I don't like. Once I see this movement right here, I really don't like it. But however, the market has finally made the bullish breakout from that resistance level, which was previously a support, which means right now we are not in the random place anymore, so we can right now continue trading this pair. Now, of course, all of this has been analyzed on the daily chart. Let's move to the 4-hour time frame. Now, on the 4-hour time frame, it's much more clear right now. We can see clearly that this level was previously a support level again, and right now here are the resistance attempt levels which we have seen on the daily chart. But however, the market couldn't hold the position for a long time. Now again, we have right here a support number 1. So meaning we can depend on the support number 2 to actually start buying the pound NZD. Most likely, the pair won't be able to exceed this support zone, as we can see right here. I have drawn here this zone because this was the lowest level of this support zone right here, as you can see, my friends. Which means this is going to be actually our stop loss. Sadly, it's going to be huge, but however, those who are actually in the free group on Telegram will receive an earlier notification informing them to close this signal as soon as possible. If I have noticed with the price action that this candle is going against our direction and this trade is no longer valid. However, the target meanwhile will be actually good, because actually right now we are aiming this resistance level right here. And I'm telling you something, this seems to me actually it actually seems like a very trusted setup, and it has a good potential to be a successful trade. Okay, now I'm back. Actually, I had to pause the recording because, as you have noticed, I started to breathe fast, and this is actually one of the side effects of the COVID, which I'm still suffering until now, since 2 months of the infection. Anyway, The target this time, my friends, is going to be 146 pips, hopefully going to be a very good profit. Meanwhile, the stop loss will be held at actually 78 or almost 80 pips. Hopefully, it will not be that much. So therefore, take profit level will be on 1.97510, and this is the take profit level, and the stop loss will be at 1.95262. Meanwhile, the buy entry is going to be held at 1.96069. Let me just bring something to your attention. Hold on. So this is the group on Telegram, the free group. Of course, you can find the link below the description of this video. Make sure you are joining this group just to make sure that you will receive the notifications about this signal. I will send an early notification if I notice any price action here indicates that this trade is no longer valid. So if in case, I hope it won't happen, but of course, if it happens and this pair starting this trade starting to go against our direction, we can close it with minimizing the losses to the maximum. So hopefully it will never reach the stop loss. The stop loss is only there to stop the bleeding if in case this trade has for any reason went directly straight to the stop loss, so it will not actually wipe your account. Make sure you are entering this trade under your own responsibility. Just because it came from Extreme Trader doesn't mean it's going to be 100% in the profit. Make sure you are entering with a wise money management and prepare for any potential losses. They can happen. So please, again, my friends, I believe it's going to be a good deal and hopefully everyone will make a good profit out of it. So in the end, I hope that was informative to you and I would like to thank you for watching.